Hello, this is my topic 5 video for social studies and with integration of arts. And today we will be talking about services in our community. So we actually did this assignment, we went over helpers in our community. So this is just another assignment that I will be helping the kids with. I am here with a small group of students who I will be going over a few questions with and then sending them back to their desk for independent work. So we're just reinforcing community helpers and what they do, who they are, and just seeing what the students remember and what they know. So I have this activity. I actually did this one. Well, I filled in the first one just to give them an idea of how this should be done and how to kind of get their thoughts going on the rest of the pages that we do. So before we get started, I want to ask you all, remember when we talked about community? What did we say a community is? What is a community? Okay.
Like when you're in the same neighborhood as
I'm sorry. You need water? Okay, so we can let somebody else answer until he gets water. Okay, anybody else would like to answer? Okay, go ahead. A group of people all together. Awesome. That is what a community is. A community is a group of people living in the same place or have a certain thing in common. Yes.
like when like when people have like this
Event. Okay.
and like a ship or people.
A ship of people community. Okay. And we can also say this classroom is a community. On your job, that's your work community. Won't you have okay, awesome. On your job is your work community. You know, in your neighborhood, it's your your living community. So good job, guys. So we're going to start with our first one, and the first one is a baker. When you hear the word baker, what comes to mind? Okay, go ahead.
Like people,
I can't hear you.
like people try and they make cakes and cupcakes and sometimes muffin and cookies.
You are so correct. Yes, they make things like cakes, cookies, muffins, all of the yummy treats. So, being that a baker makes all of these things, what services are they providing for us? A baking service. Awesome.
And to make us full.
Okay, to make us full. Okay, that's a good one. So they make us they provide us with food that we can purchase, and sometimes they may give it away depending on certain things. Okay. So the next one, sorry. Oh my God. So the next thing that we want to talk about is a coach. A coach. When you hear the word coach, what comes to mind when you hear the word coach? You can go ahead. You raise your hand first. Go ahead.
It's like a coach is like when if you need something or to get your skill better and to play better.
Okay, so to play what better?
Like a sport.
Good. That's what I wanted to hear, like a sport. And I also like what you said when you mentioned skills, because that's what a coach does. A coach help us to sharpen our skills to get better at what we're doing. So I want to kind of go off topic a little bit since we were talking about sports. Are there any sports that you all are interested in that you would need a coach?
A cheerleader.
Cheerleader. Okay, you have a sports. I'm sorry, a cheer coach. Good. What else?
Um, People might want to play basketball.
I can't hardly hear you.
People might want to play basketball.
Basketball. Yeah, and you need a basketball coach. Awesome. All right, that was very good, guys. So we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna say the next one is construction worker.
They
What's a construction worker? What services do they provide?
so like they keep us safe on like the crosswalk. So
The
cars.
crosswalk. Okay, so we do have one for crosswalk, as a matter of fact, a crossing guard, but we are on construction worker. But you know what? That was very good. We will just go ahead to the crossing guard. Okay, so the crossing guard will be our last example that we're gonna go over together, and then I'm gonna let you guys go back to your desk and do independent work. So a crossing guard.
I think it also helps. They help you cross the street for school.
Help us cross the street for school. That is awesome. That is very good. Yes.
And keep us safe so cars don't hit us.
And keep us safe so cars do not hit us.
Other kids walk home. They stand in the street so the cars can stop.
Exactly. So that's how they do here. They will stand in the street, you're right, and hold up a sign so the cars can stop and let the pedestrians are the people who are crossing the street. Good job, guys. Okay, so this concludes my video, and the students will have their art incorporation by coloring the pictures, but we're gonna answer the questions first, and then I'll have them color last. So this concludes my video for topic 5. Thank you.